नमस्कार, मैं संजना आहूजा स्वागत करती हूँ आपका चैनल हिंदी लर्निंग पर। आइए मिलकर सीखते हैं भारत की सबसे प्राचीन भाषा हिंदी को। Today, I'm going to start with very first lesson of Hindi. The first step of any language is to learn its alphabet. Before starting the first lesson of Hindi, I would like to brief some background of Hindi. Hindi is written in Devanagari script on a paper. It is written from left to right just like English. In Hindi, there are 11 vowels and 33 consonants. In my videos, I will use both Hindi and English language, which will helps you to learn Hindi through English also. Guys, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to watch more videos to learn Hindi. So let's start with the first lesson of Hindi, which is vowel. That means swar. In this video, I will show you exactly what a vowel is and how you to start to work on your vowel pronunciation in Hindi. So let's read one by one. Our first Hindi letter is A. In English, it's single A. It is a guttural, pronounced from the throat. Repeat with me. A. Again. A. A for anar, which means pomegranate. Next is the variation of the first letter A. The long version of A. In English, it's double A. Make sure the mouth is very relaxed and sound originate from the throat. Repeat with me. A. Again. A. A for arm, which means mango. The next vowel is E. Short palatal, bring your awareness to your soft palate into the back of your tongue. Repeat with me. E. Single I in English. E. Another time. E. E for imli, which means tamarind. Next vowel is long E. Still vibrating in your soft palatal area. Make it very long. E. E. In English, double E. Repeat with me. E. Once again. E. E for eek, which means sugar cane. The next vowel is a labial. Make a little circular shape with your mouth. Repeat with me. Oo. Oo. Feel the sound and vibration in your lips. Oo. Single U in English. U for ullu, which means owl. Next vowel, as you probably guessed, the next one is a long equivalent label. Make it very long. Ooh. Ooh. Repeat with me. Ooh. In English, it's double O. Oo for oon, which means wool. The next vowel is surprising to many. Lots of people confused about the vowel sound. Trust me, it's a cerebral. Pull back of your tongue, tip touch to the hard palate. Repeat with me. Re. Re. In English, it's R-I. Re for rishi, which means sage. Next vowel is a single vowel sound. Concentrate on soft palatal. Repeat. A. A. In English, it's E. Listen carefully and repeat it again. A. A for AD, which means ankle. The next letter, which is also a long palatal, it's a diphthong. This means it has two vowel sounds merged together. Repeat. I. I. In English, AI. I for anak, which means specs. The next two words, labials. The first long labial is monopathong. It has only one vowel sound. Repeat. O. O. In English, it's single O. O for Oakley, which means mortar. The next one is also a labial, but it's a diphthong. Repeat. O. One more time. O. In English, it's AU. O for aurat, which means woman. The next two letters are not vowels, but these are ayogvaha. For the sake of convenience, these are put among vowels. Some people says some people says an, but it depend on word formation. Is anuswar, in English am, an. An for angur, which means grapes. The last vowel, which is not truly a vowel, it's a visarg, aha. In English, it's ah, aha. Now we have completed vowel pronunciation. Let's see all the vowels at a glance in next slide. Well, these are 13 Hindi vowels which we have learned as of now. Let's pronounce one by one. A, I, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ah. Now, let's see some important points about vowels so that you can remember at the time of practice. Now, next topic is types of vowels. Basically, in Hindi, there are two types of vowels, short vowels and long vowels. There are 4 short vowels and 7 long vowels. First type of vowels are short vowels which you can call in Hindi harasva swar. Short vowels are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. So let's pronounce one by one. A in English, A as in cat, C-A-T, cat. Next, E in English, I as in sit, S-I-T, sit. Next, U in English, U as in put, P-U-T, put. Next, Ri in English, R-I as in rib, R-I-B, rib. Well, most important, re is different from re in pronunciation. Re is used in writing only Tassam and Sanskrit words. I will cover this topic in more detail on my other videos. Well, now second type of vowel are long vowels which you can call as in Hindi, Dirghswar. A long vowel is a vowel sound that is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. So let's pronounce one by one. A in English, A as in arm, A-R-M, arm. Next, E in English, E as in echo, E-C-H-O, echo. Next, U in English, O, U as in unite, U-N-I-T-E, unite. Next, A in English, E as in app, A-P-E, app. Next, I in English, I as in an, A-N, an. Next, O in English, O as in cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Next, Au in English, A-U, Au as in organization, O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N, organization. So this is all about Hindi vowels. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get my next video, which is all about Hindi consonants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share this video. If you have any suggestion, please write me a comment below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about Hindi language. Thank you for watching.